I can't help that you are on my mind. We've been gone apart for quite some time. Is it selfish to want all of your time, my love? Simple words of how I feel can't explain how your beauty takes my breath away. Whisper me and tell me why you're in love with me. And my heart beats like a drum, and my skin, it yearns for your love. You're my grace that falls from above, my love, my love. You're in my dreams when I close my eyes. I've been missing you for quite some time. I pretend that you are here by my side, always. I'm so comforted just by your smile. I'm so lucky you are proud to be mine, and to know that I'm the reason why you